Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 8. Show that this is equal to this. For this, taking left hand side 1 plus x y z x1 plus y z x y 1 plus z. Here we will subtract row first from row second and row first from row third. So now look, x minus 1, x cancel with cancel, we get here minus 1, and here 1 plus y minus y we get 1, and z minus get we get 0. Now row third, subtract row first from row third, so x minus 1 minus x cancel with x, we get minus 1, y minus y 0, and 1 plus z minus z we get 1. Now subtract row third from row second, so 1 minus 1 we get minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 we get 0, and here 0 minus 1 we get minus 1, and 1 minus 0 we get 1. Now expand by column first, so x plus 1 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 1, here we will write yz minus 1 1 plus 0, cancel these two, we get yz 1 0. Now look, 1 plus x, 1 into 1 we get 1, and minus 1 into 0 we get 0, minus into minus plus 1, y into 1 we get y, and minus 1 into z minus z into minus plus z, and here 0 0, y into 0 0, and 1 into z we get z. Here 1 into 1 we get 1, 1 into x, and here 1 into y we get y, and 1 into z we get z, and here 0. So 1 plus x plus y plus z, which is the right hand side, the answer. Now part 9. Prove that this is equal to this. For this, taking left hand side, okay, by R3 minus R2. This is R3, subtract R2, P minus P we get 0, Q minus X here we get, and X minus Q here we get. Now again by R2 minus R1. This is R2, subtract R1. So P minus X here we get, X minus P here we get, and Q minus Q here we get 0. Now expand by row first. X minus P 0, Q minus X, X minus Q minus P, cancel these two, here we get P minus X 0 0, X minus Q, and plus Q, cancel these two, we get P minus X, X minus P 0, Q minus X. Now look here, X minus P into X minus Q minus X into 0, so this will become 0. Minus P minus X into X minus Q minus 0 into 0, plus Q, P minus X into Q minus X minus 0 into X minus P. Now look, here we get X minus P, X minus Q, and 0 into Q minus X we get 0. Now here minus into minus we get, look at here, minus P, take minus 1 common from this, we get X minus P, and X minus Q in its place, and minus 0 into 0 0. Now plus Q, take minus 1 common from this, we get X minus P, and minus 1 common from this, we get X minus Q. Now this minus into minus will become plus. Now look, x x minus p into x minus q minus 0 becomes 0. Now minus into minus plus p, x minus p into x minus q, and the 0 will be eliminated. Minus into minus plus, here we get q, x minus p into x minus q. Now look, x minus p, x minus q is common here. X minus p, x minus q is take common from every term. So x minus p, x minus q here remains x, plus here remain p, and here remain q, which is the right hand side. Part 10. Show that this equals to this. Taking left hand side. Now by R2 minus R1. This is R2, this is R1. So 1 minus minus 1 minus a, 1 cancel with 1, here we get minus a. Now 1 plus b minus 1, 1 cancel with 1, here we get b, and 1 minus 1 we get 0. Now here 1 minus a we get minus a, and 1 minus 1, here we get 0, and 1 plus c minus 1, 1 cancel with 1, we get c. Now expand by row. First 1 plus a, cancel these two, b0 0, c minus 1, cancel these two, we get minus a0 minus ac, and plus 1 we get minus ab minus a0. Now 1 plus a, b into c, we get bc, and 0 into 0 0. Minus 1 minus a into a, we get minus a into c, we get minus ac, and minus a into 0, we get 0. Now 1 minus a into 0, we get 0, and minus a into b, we get plus ab. Now multiply this, we get bc, here abc, and minus into minus, here plus ac and plus ab. Now arrange it. A plus b plus c, bc, ac, and ab. Now take a plus b plus c common. Here remain 1. Here remains 1 by a. How? Multiply this with this. A cancel with cancel, we get bc. Here remain 1 by b. How? Multiply this with this. B cancel with b. Here we get ac. And multiply this with this. C cancel with c. Here we get ab. So, which is the right hand side? Take abc common. We get this, which is the right hand side. Now the next question, second part. First part we have done in the previous lecture. Show when this determinant of this is equal to this, then find the value of x. Expand this by column first. Minus 1, cancel these two, 1x3 4 minus 0, cancel these two, here we get x square, x2 4, and plus 1, cancel these two, here we get x square, 1 2 3 equals to minus 6. Now minus 1 into 4, we get 4, and minus 3x, here minus 0, 4x square minus 2x, and here plus 1, 3 into x square, 3x square, and minus 2 into 1, we get minus 2 equals to minus 6. Now multiply it. Here minus 4 plus 3x, 0 into this whole term becomes 0, 1 into 3x square, and 1 into 2 minus 2, we get minus 2 minus 6. Now rearrange and simplify. 3x square plus 3x minus 4 minus 2, we get minus 6, and 0 will be eliminated. Here minus 6, shift minus 6 to the right side, it become plus 6, minus 6 plus 6 0. Here take 3x common, here remains x plus 3, 3x equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0, divide both sides by 3, x equal to 0. And here shift 3 to the right side, x equals to minus 3, 0 minus 3 is the answer.